Hey guys, so before I start this video, I would just like to wish all of you a very happy new year. And yeah, so let's get to the point. Since I promised some of my users to throw in a video tomorrow, um, I'll be talking about basic differences between a Rhino for Mac and Rhino for Windows. Now, I'm not a professional industrial designer or anything. I am a product design student at the moment. So I'm kind of in a learning phase myself. Right. What I have noticed in both the versions, the first thing which bugs people is the interface. If you're using both of them, it kind of irritates you sometimes that the interface is very different. The shortcuts are very different because the keyboards are different, right? So that is one of the differences in a Mac version and a Windows version. When I talk about the software, that core software, the main thing that Rhino for Mac lacks is plugins, which is obviously one of the main things of the software, but I don't think the Mac users have to worry about it yet, because I think that the developers are coming up with the plugins in the new releases, and I think they will be there. So I'm kind of linking what do you call it, a link. I'm linking a link in the description, which is basically by a Rhino developer, and he's telling you how they would be developing new releases with new plugins and layouts and things missing like Grasshopper and stuff. What are their plans? And I cannot go to the technical stuff that much, but he will be explaining you the technical stuff. I don't think the technical stuff is important for anybody right now, but in case you want to know, the link is in the description below. Right? So the main difference between a Rhino and a Mac interface is the plugins, and there are a few of the tools missing, but somehow Rhino for Mac has compensated with it with some other tools. So I personally haven't felt something missing in the Mac, except obviously the major plugins. What I do is that I render all of my things on a V-Ray for Windows, because I have that. In case you don't have it, you can maybe install a Keyshot or something like that, and Keyshot is a wonderful software too, so you can render your things there. And maybe if you really want to use the Mac version of Rhino, you really trust the the Mac OS, then you don't have to worry about it, I guess, because they would be releasing more of the plugins, and they would be doing it. And Windows Rhino has been here for decades, and that's why they've been able to develop so many plugins for it. And I guess they will be available for the Apple version too. So I don't think there's a lot to worry about right now. I personally like the OS version, not of Rhino, but generally the operating system of an Apple computer, because I don't know, I just feel more safe. I just feel more, my work is going more smoothly. But I've been using both of them since years, and I'm kind of used to using both of them. But if I have to choose, I think I would choose a combination, something like a combination, maybe installing a Parallels. And that's one more way you could use it. If you want to use all the plugins, you want to use Grasshopper and everything, you can just install a Parallel on your computer, and that works fabulous too. I think that is the major differences. I am not sure if I kind of answered all the questions, because I didn't really go deep into the details. If you want to go into the technical details, I have already told you that the link is in the description. If you want to know anything else, just let me know. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you subscribe, give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever. So yeah, a happy new year to all of you again, and enjoy.